Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today's topic are keyboard and software. Children, as you know, keyboard is an input device and an important hardware of a computer. The keyboard comprises of alphanumeric keys, special keys, modifier keys, navigation keys, and function keys, which are described as follows. First is alphanumeric keys. They are used to type letters and numbers. It has 26 alphabet keys and 10 number keys as shown in the picture. There is also a block keypad of numbers on the right side of keyboard to type the numbers quickly. Second are special keys. They are used to perform specific tasks which are described as follows. First is backspace key. It erases the text before the cursor. Second is enter key. It is used to type the text from a new line. It is also called return key, and there are two enter keys present in the keyboard. Third is delete key. It erases the text after the cursor. Fourth is spacebar key. It is the longest key in the keyboard and it is used to give space between words or numbers. Fifth is caps lock key. It is used to type capital letters. Sixth is shift key. It is used in combination with other keys to perform different functions like change of case of letters and to type symbols. Seventh is control key. It is used to perform special operations with a combination of other keys, and there are two control keys on keyboard. Eighth are symbol keys. They are used to add punctuation marks and other symbols while typing. Next are modifier keys. These keys are used to modify the functions of other keys. For example, Ctrl and A, Shift and 1, Alt and F4. Next are navigation keys. They are used to move the cursor around a document to see or edit text. These keys are home key, end key, page up key, page down key, and arrow keys. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. Next are function keys. They are used to perform special tasks, and there are 12 function keys present in the keyboard. Now the next topic is software. Software is a set of instructions that perform a specific task in the computer. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is the main software which runs the computer and its hardware, and it is also called the operating system of computer. Examples are Windows 10, Linux, Android, iOS, Macintosh, and so on. Next is application software. It is used to perform specific tasks. Some application software are described as follows. Word processing software. It is used to type, edit and format text documents like poems, stories, letters, applications, and so on. For example, Microsoft Word and Apple Works. Spreadsheet software. It is used to enter data in tables that contain rows and columns. For example, Microsoft Excel. Database software. It is used to store and manage information or data. For example, Microsoft Access and Oracle. Last is multimedia softwares. They are used to show many types of media files like audio, video, animations, graphics, and text. For example, Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, GOM Player, Apple Zune, and so on. So children, this is all in this topic. See you again later. Bye bye.